Now here we have again the right answer, BDCA. All the problems of social life are thus. So this word makes us feel that D cannot be the start of the paragraph. This point of view is already recognized in preventive medicine. What point of view we don't know. So it says every social group tends to create from the individuals that compose it its own type of character. So in statement we have a very good introduction, and that introduction is about the social group. It says every social group tends to create its own type of character, and the characters thus formed become component parts of the social structure in which they are incorporated. So B is a very good start, right? And then it says all the problems of social life are thus problems of the individual. So to justify the presence of thus, which is basically acting like a conclusion, you must have some kind of statement, and out of C, B and A you must ask which statement can basically justify the presence of thus in statement D, and you will find that statement B justifies that. So the moment you have this justification, you can say BD is a pair, right? How come? Every social group tends to create from the individuals that compose it its own type of character, and the characters thus formed become component parts of the social structure in which they are incorporated. All the problems of social life are thus problems of the individual. Why? Because the individual forms the group. And all the problems of the individual are basically at the same time problems of the group. So BD are closely interconnected. You cannot separate them. This point of view, which point of view? All the problems of social life are these problems of the individual. This point of view is already recognized in preventive medicine and to some extent in psychiatry. It is not yet recognized in the technique of social casework, and therefore A comes at this end. BDCA. It is recognized here, it is not recognized here. BDCA is, it's an easy question relatively.